We guide you through how to check your Google Meet call history. So the first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Then sign in with the same Google account you used for meetings. Once inside, look for the specific date and time of your Google Meet session because every meeting you joined or scheduled is automatically saved there as an event. Click on the event and you will see the meeting details, including the Google Meet link, participants, and sometimes even notes or attached files. If you use Google Workspace, you can also check your Gmail inbox and search for Google Meet or Meeting Summary to find email records of your calls. Another method is opening Google Meet itself, clicking on Meetings or Recent Meetings if available on your account to view your call history. This way, you can easily review past meetings, confirm attendance, or rejoin previous calls without hassle.